Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the temperature sensor in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. If you're replacing the sensor in the oven, pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the two screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Unthread the 3 screws to release the left side stop bracket. Repeat to detach the right side bracket. Now lift the upper rear access panel up to remove. Depress the tab to disconnect the temperature sensor wire connector. Unthread the sensor mounting screw and pull out the old sensor. Install the new temperature sensor by inserting it through the hole in the rear panel. Then replace the mounting screw to secure. Connect the wire connector. Reinstall the upper rear access panel by hooking it on the tabs. Realign the 2 stop brackets and thread the screws to hold them in place. Reinstall the lower access panel by inserting the tabs in the slots first. Lower the panel and secure it with the screws. To replace the warming drawer temperature sensor, pull out the drawer and remove the rack. Next, use pliers to bend the side rails outward to fully detach the drawer assembly. This may require some effort. Unthread the mounting screw securing the bake element. Lift the element up and pull it forward to access the wires. Disconnect the wires and fully remove the element. Now unthread the temperature sensor mounting screw to release the sensor from the cover. Next, unthread the screw securing the cover. Rotate the cover counterclockwise and you can disconnect the sensor wire connector to fully remove the old component. Install the new sensor by feeding the wire through the hole in the cover. Connect the wire connector. Reposition the cover and secure it with the screw. Position the sensor on the cover and rethread the mounting screw. Reinstall the bake element by first connecting the wires to the terminals. Align the element bracket tabs in the slots in the base. Replace the mounting screw. Now pull out the slide rails. Align the slots in the drawer assembly with the tabs on the slide rails and snap the assembly into position. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.